Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, to our old family squad.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the O Family Vlog. What is next week, Marcus?
Valentine's Day.
We got Valentine's Day coming up. So in spirit of Valentine's Day, we are collabing with Jessica Myrose. She does a lot of inspiration videos. She does a lot of cleaning videos. She does motivation, positive videos. And she does some vloggings too. She's a fun channel, so if you have not subscribed to her channel, check her video out. I'm going to link her channel description box down below. And what we're going to do is we are going to make yummy, fun treats for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, baby!
So it shouldn't be too hard.
You sure about that?
Mama O,
You sure about that?
What are we making?
First thing we're doing is chocolate dipped strawberries and pretzels.
I'll eat that.
You eat that?
You know, I chose it just because I know how much you love strawberries.
Yep. And we got little helpers here. Don't touch it yet. I know you want to eat it now. I think we have to melt this chocolate first. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Are you ready, Charlie?
What's that?
Chocolate. Are you gonna help Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Alright, I have not done this in a very long time. Back in my dating days, maybe to try to impress a guy I liked or something. What? Did I ever make it for you?
No!
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
She never made it for me.
Well, now I have, so.
Right.
I've heard that to make the chocolate as creamy as possible and good, the secret trick is Crisco. So we're gonna do that today.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's like your fat. You'll love it. Crisco.
Crisco.
You said Crisco, yeah. So you put a little bit of Crisco into, I just did the Ghirardelli milk chocolate, and we are going to heat it up for a little bit. Just like that. All right, Marcus, I'm gonna need you to move for 2 seconds.
2 seconds. 1, 2. It's been 2 seconds.
It says 40 seconds, and then as it gets about 80 to 90% melted, bring it out and stir. While this is going, I'm gonna get the strawberries.
A few moments later.
This is something you guys can do at your house for Valentine's Day.
Oh, those strawberries.
Family.
Marcus is a strawberry fiend. Is it your favorite fruit?
Yeah.
All right, let's check it now.
Whoa.
Looks like we still have quite a bit to go. 10 more seconds.
A few moments later.
Keep stirring. Oh my God.
So melted.
That looks pretty good. Let's see, are there any lumps? Did you get all the bumpy lumpies out?
Yep.
Oh, you did. Nice stir job.
Perfect.
Good, Marcus.
All right, I'm gonna put this in the middle. Don't touch the glass, it's a little hot. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, you hold a strawberry up by the green. By the green, right? Watch mommy. You're gonna dip it in, and then you're gonna lay it on the paper, okay?
Why?
You can also do pretzels. You can do pretzels.
Why not eat them?
You're gonna wait until it cools off and hardens. It's gonna
Yeah.
get hard like a candy bar. Put that there. All right, guys,
You gonna help Mama?
let's see you. Here, Charlie, you wanna try?
I want to get the juice.
Hold it by the green up top. There you go.
Juicy ones.
Wow.
Stick it in as far as you can get it. You can get lots of
Think
it.
of more, Charlie or Marcus.
Get on the sides, close to the top. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Yay.
Oh.
You gotta be careful.
Clean up, crew.
That's too
Good
satisfying.
job. Good job. Keep
Good,
going.
guys. Keep going.
We have a second part of this. We're getting just the milk chocolate on it right now.
I feel it.
What?
You did a baby one?
Ew.
You're doing good.
Man, this is thick,
There you
boy.
go. That's
He's thick, boy!
best part about this is licking your fingers to make sure they stay clean, right?
Yeah.
You can see.
Yeah.
So good.
The best part is
Chocolate's
licking-
starting to cool down. It's not as drippy now. A little bit harder to do.
Nobody saw that.
Okay.
Come on.
Look at this
Let's
guy.
go.
Did we do all the strawberries? Well, you still have pretzels if you want to do pretzels. We still have chocolate left.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. And then we have a step 2 to make it extra Valentine-y, guys.
What?
we're gonna put pink chocolate drizzles on it. Like a paint splatter.
Yeah, the best part is licking it.
The best part is the mess.
Ooh. You know what this looks like?
Poo.
Pepero.
Oh yeah.
Ew.
Pocky.
Oh
Pocky
yeah.
versus Pocky sticks.
Yeah.
Pocky stick.
Do you call it Pocky sticks or Pocky sticks, guys? I'll get it for you. How about you? Alright guys, round 2.
Round 2.
So I just did white chocolate chips, obviously. We're gonna do something very similar, much less, because we're only gonna drizzle this on.
Those are way small.
It's white.
Why?
That's a white
I'll
chocolate.
do it after we heat it up.
Put it in the microwave. Alone.
Typically 40 seconds, but it kind of depends on the amount of chips that you're trying to melt.
So do it for 40 seconds.
Okay,
Ooh.
you ready? Can we have Charlie stir this one since you did the last one?
Is that food coloring?
Food coloring. What color is this?
Big.
It looks pink, doesn't it?
Hey.
It's supposed to get to red eventually. All right, can you stir? Do you know how to stir? Just like you do with your ice cream?
Whoa, pretty.
Wow.
Baby Bubba
It's
next.
Bubba's turn?
Bubba's turn. Look at Bubba go. Go Bubba, go Bubba, go.
Oh, go ninja, go ninja, go.
Yeah, buddy. Down. Oh yeah, it's pink.
All right,
What's next step?
with this, you guys can use spoons, okay? Get this really close to this. What you can do, watch mama. You can take a spoon, see how it's nice and drippy? And you can drip chalk pink on it like that, okay? You wanna try it, Charlie?
Yeah.
Like that.
That one? Oh yeah. What do you think, guys? Are we done?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll be right back. What are we making now?
So we did Marcus's favorite strawberries for our first Valentine treat. But Charlie, do you like sprinkles?
Yeah.
He really likes sprinkles. So our second treat is based off of what Charlie likes. So we are making sprinkle cookies.
Yeah, baby.
Now, I've never made sprinkle cookies before, so we're having a bit of a science experiment with this. I grabbed this recipe from I'll Be Baking. Owl, like it says, hoot hoot owl. I'll Be Baking, and the recipe is by Liz. So let's hope that it's great. And thanks for sharing, Liz. First, we have to make the cookie part. It's called a mixer. I think I've prepped everything I needed. I've got my oven preheating, and let's start. I don't bake very often, so forgive me. In a large bowl, cream together the butter, the sugar, the butter and the sugar.
You'll find out, Charlie.
All right, Charlie.
Look at sugar.
Can you pour the sugar in here for me? Can you pour it in there?
Okay.
Whoa, good job. Thank
Good job,
you.
Charlie.
All right,
Bubba's
Marcus.
turn.
Can you put all of this butter in
Yep.
there?
All of it.
Oh, that's a
the
lot of
butter.
butter. Butter makes it better.
Butter me up, baby.
Stop it. Get some help.
Here we go.
Bubba did it. Good job,
Thank
Bubba.
you. I will take that. We're gonna turn on the mixer. You ready?
Yeah.
Watch.
Look at it mixing.
This.
All right. We're gonna turn this off. I'm gonna do the egg part, okay, guys?
Oh man, I love cracking eggs.
I know, but we need to make
You don't
sure we
want
don't get
shells
any
in there.
shell in there.
Whoa!
Whoa.
So egg, but you know what you can do? Do you know what this is?
Nope.
This is called vanilla. It's 2 teaspoons, so you each get to add one. Marcus, do you want to add that one?
Yeah.
There.
Bubba did it.
My
Your turn.
Okay.
We have just enough vanilla left to do this recipe.
I did it.
You did it. Thank you.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn it back on. It's gonna get all creamy.
I'm making. It looks like we're making scrambled egg actually.
What's mommy doing?
Taking the flour. We're taking the baking soda.
Looks all good.
It does. Okay. Go a little bit longer. Just a little bit. Whisk together all of what they call the dry ingredients. Flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Do you know we put salt in sugary cookies?
No way.
Doesn't that sound weird? Salt.
What?
What?
See?
Oh. Now what we're going to do,
Look.
Mommy's gonna do this part because there's a lot.
You're gonna put the whole bowl in?
The whole bowl.
No way!
Is it all mixing together?
Yeah.
Is it mixing, Charlie?
Yeah.
Oh, it's starting to get good. All right.
What the hell?
Look. She's making a ball.
Bowl?
All right, you guys see this ball? Now, it says to use a cookie scoop. We bake so infrequently that I do not have a cookie scoop. So I'm eyeballing the size of the balls we have to do. So we want to take our cookie dough and roll it into a size about this big. There's your reference. Okay?
You can do that?
Can you guys do that? I'm going to give it to you, Charlie. Here. Can you roll it into a ball using your hands like this?
You try.
Roll it.
Good job.
Roll, roll, roll. Push it together.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's okay.
I'll help. Here, give it to
Dad,
me.
what does the cat say?
Meow.
What does the dog say? And what does the fox say?
Oh no.
Okay.
For another one, Charlie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what did I'm gonna shake them now.
Okay.
That's good, Charlie.
What is that?
It's falling apart. Hold on.
You know which
I
one
know.
Charlie
It
did.
fell apart, buddy. I want to help, okay?
Make a circle.
I made circle.
You made a circle?
You try.
You made a baseball bat.
Whoa.
Wow.
Is that a knife?
That's satisfying.
We don't touch knives, do we? Okay.
Whoa.
So it says we're going to dip the tips of our fingers into the milk and coat the ball. You take your fingers and you take the ball and coat it lightly. And you want to touch it as little as possible once you get to start doing the sprinkles. Okay? Because the sprinkles will start sticking to your hand and not the cookie. But you want to get as many sprinkles as you can on the ball. Totally cover it. And then... Okay? Just touch it with your fingers with the milk. And then... Pick up one. Yep. No, pick it up, Charlie. Pick it up. Get it all over.
Is this squishy?
Get it all sprinkly. Sprinkle-fy it. Stick sprinkles.
Why would you just put it in there?
This is what they said to do. I'm following the instructions. Can't go rogue on baking. Bad things happen.
Right.
So I can make a
You're making
smoothie.
a mess.
A few moments later.
You gotta bake these. Charlie's excited. Gotta wait for 15 minutes.
Looks like 15 to 20.
Alright, we'll be right back.
15 minutes later.
We can't touch them for a while.
Well, the hot.
Yeah, very hot. And then you gotta...
Alright guys, so that was easy and simple recipe. You guys can do it at your house. Could even do it with your kids. This was super fun. And thank you Jessica Myrose for collabing with us. We will put her link, YouTube channel description box down below. And there are other channels are also doing this collaboration. So this was super fun and especially perfect time for Valentine's Day coming up. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. If you guys are new to our channel,
Please subscribe and hit the like button. Smash that ring bell. Ding, 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 ding.
yeah, and we hope you guys have a great week. Please, everybody be well, be kind.
Big happy!
Boom.